Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Katnat ke Koi Kekia jong ke Sarkar Jela, Uba Alexander L. Heng, haka kat new trek mentau nailur arza ka kendai, ula play pajba ye ke Jinghikai ke Basisngi, ye ke Nongdie Jingbam harut Surok, ya ke bala pelong Hasri Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture Shillong, ya ke bala pelong da ke Commisionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya ringkat ke Jitrelang, bat ke Nestle India Limited, bat ke National Association of Street Vendors of India. Hakani kelempong Jinghikai ke Basisngi, palat sanspa ngot kinong dia Jingbam harut Surok, nakaleng kenong ba Shillong, bat nakiwe de kibenta jong ke Jela, kilawan cakani ke Jinghikai ke Basisngi, kenang ban pesutu iki, bakin long ki balek ko ye ki Jingbam baki dia si ki pajba, kumjo kumno ban pelang sejaka ye ki jabo jaban, bat bakin da sopro ye ki kiti da ki mujakti. Hakani ke Jingelang Menteri ke Kot Kekia, ula palat pajbaru ye ke hygienic kit, bat ula samru ye kini ringkat kisernon. Syakinong dia Jingbam harut Surok ki balawannya sementa syakani kelempong Jinghikai.
Clean is not clean. How you can serve the safe food? What is attitude? Attitude is very simple. That is the mind, the body and soul. How we have prepared our mind and our body and soul to serve the safe food. And one thing we should understand, when you are serving the food, safe food to anyone, you are not serving to your enemy, nor to your alliance, or you are serving to your strangers. You have to think that you are serving this food to our own relative, our own brothers and sisters, our own nephews and nieces. We are serving this food. What is important to our street vendors today is our attitude. We need only to dress up properly, give the clean utensil, give the clean crockeries, give the clean the cups or the glasses where we are serving to our people. Simple. It is depend on your individual attitude. Kene boro kalong ladangi babi ban manga idon la gajong ke Jingbam gajungi kumdo ban ai ki Jingbam ki bokot ki customer gajungi. Ladagi ai ki Jingbam ki bokot kumdo ki customer ki ban wan bam biang nafi. A simple psychology. If I am my restaurant, my hotel or any street vendors, if I'm not serving the clean food, no customer will come again to my shops. Nobody will come. Lada mangagam ay Jingbam ki bukod, ki baitan ki bang ki quality food, kinuwan biang ASEAN madwan bam habo kadukan ni jonga. If you have not understand how to begin to yourself, you cannot serve to any other people. Okay, we should start. It begins from yourself.
Hakani gasngi na kalyang ka Batisi TV kalayo latro banyakran kerpang bat u director jang corporate affairs ka Nestle India Usanjay Khajuria hakabaidai bat ka jing perlong yakni kelempong Jinghikai yakinong dia jingde ki badi ki Jingbam harut Surok.
Our experience has been wherever we have done this program, many of the street vendors have come back saying that their incomes have gone up. And we are hoping with this initiative which Nestle, Nasvi and very importantly the ministry and the FDA here have taken, we will see a positive change among street vendors. So Nestle's purpose is enhancing quality of life and contributing to a healthier future. We make sure that all our factories, all our location, all our distribution point, they are very, very safe and hygienic product which is provided. And then we started thinking, why restrict it only to our operation? Why can't we go out? And this was an obvious choice. If we want to create a safe and hygienic food ecosystem, this is one of the most important areas. It's only that we pick up those places which are very touristic, because that is where the impact is the most. So for example, Goa or a Jaipur or a Agra or a Shillong or a Cherrapunji or Tura, wherever or Himachal, wherever the tourists go, we want to run this. One is that wherever this program has been done, many of the street vendors have come back with this sort of a feedback that the income levels have gone up. Secondly, they are actually going and talking to their friends and family that if you keep your food safe and hygienic and if you are dressed properly, chances are you will attract more consumer. Thirdly, the success of any program is dependent on if something is been given free, do people come back and asking for that? Now we have cases where people come back and say, my apron is torn, can I buy one more? And I think this is a very, very encouraging sign.
Are vendors also trained not to litter, please?
Everything, including things like plastic, including things like usage of water. So it's a very holistic program which covers end to end. Normally, the Nasvi, which is the training institute, you would have seen that they have this WhatsApp group with the leaders, and normally through those leaders we get the feedback if the implementation is going the right way or not. Even Nestle on its own actually works a lot on plastic waste management, trying to create EPR systems, trying to create consumer behavior, trying to make sure that the consumers are aware that the plastic should not be littered. Nasvi, when they are doing this program, this is definitely going to be a part of that. It's, as you know, plastic is a huge menace which has to be curtailed at all levels and every level.